to resize images whether you want to increase or decrease the dimensions of your images. That's what we'll do in this tutorial using RawTherapee, completely free. Hi there, grab RawTherapee now. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find the official link in the description or comments below. Once you have it, come back and let's get started together. After open RawTherapee, double-click on your photo to open an editor tab. Next, navigate to the toolbar located in the top left corner. Then, click on the transform icon, click on Resize, and then activate it by clicking on the icon located here. Click on the option next to specify to open the drop-down menu. Then select any option from the drop-down menu, such as long edge. Enter the desired size for the longer side of the image here. Alternatively, you can choose the short edge option and enter the desired size for the shorter side of the image here, based on your preferences. If we export our image now, we can navigate to the location of our exported image. Then select our exported image and check its dimensions. You will find that the size has not changed to the new dimensions that we set. Instead, it remains at its original dimensions. To activate the change and achieve the new desired dimensions, we will need to enable the Allow Upscaling option. This will allow you to increase your image dimensions to the new desired dimensions. Then, export the image again. After that, navigate to the image folder, select the newly exported image and check its dimensions. You will find that the dimensions match what we selected in the software. You can see the updated dimensions here. That's all for this tutorial. If you have any question about RawTherapee you want to know, you can leave it in the comments section. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and remember to follow and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy editing!